Hello friend, welcome back to Toto Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today 92 Toyota pickup, which wasn't really maintained much apparently. It's the first time it came to me to my shop, and I'm trying to get in the engine bay and start the inspection. And look at this, I want to show you something. I popped the hood here, right? But all it goes, it's up to here, and I can't really move it. And I want to show this as a warning. I have power, of course, to yank on it and try to break it free. But I will highly recommend you, if this happens to you, don't do that. And why not to do that? Well, it's very simple. The hinges are rusted inside and they are stuck. They have a hard time to move. If I really pry on it, which I can, of course, I will break them, or at least one of them. So instead of yanking on it and forcing it, you have to use some kind of lubricant, start spraying inside, and hold that it will go down there, and you will be able to lubricate it. So anything what you might have at home, right? I'm using this chain loop, but it doesn't matter. Anything what will work to loosen, to give extra help to it, right? And carefully, gradually, the ideal will be have a helper here who can hold it for you while you are spraying. And this needs time. And what can I do, right? I have to take time. It slows me down. But hey, I don't want to call the owner and say, oh, your hood hinges are broken. Yeah, I broke them, so now we need to repair it. So it was a little short video for you, right? That happens. That's not something very unusual. It happens. Don't try to fight it because it will break. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. That left side is releasing faster than this side, so I was able to support it here already and just keep spraying it. Yep. I can feel the left one, it's completely free, it's moving perfectly, but this one, on the driver's side, this one is still giving resistance, but it's moving way more already. Good. It's up, it took 5-10 minutes, but it's done, it's free to go.